Did you know that Western diamondback rattlesnake has a scientific name called Crotalus atrox, and it's a venomous snake living in the deserts of USA and Mexico. This snake is very well known in these areas. There are no types of subspecies of the snake. Hello everyone, in this video we're going to draw a rattlesnake. Start by drawing a head right here. Make sure to draw gently or it will be hard to erase after this video. If you're having trouble drawing a circle, you can use anything that has a circular edge or you can use the 4 marks method in order for you to know it. If you already know, you can do it on your drawing. Then, after that, add this arc right here as the guide for the snout of this creepy creature. So today we're going to draw a species called the diamondback rattlesnake. Then after that, add this other arc right here, connecting to the circle. Okay, now it's okay if you did a mistake. You just gotta erase it and do it again. So that will help you learn. After that, add this curve, then go down, then add this curve, then go down, and then for the nose, add this curve, then add this U shape, then shade it in the inside. Then, after that, add some shadings, then add this line, then add this curve right here, and then after that, add a curve, then go right there, then after that, add this curve, so that will complete for the body, for its long body later. Then after that, add this line right here, then go down. Then after that, we're going to absolutely draw this draw this curve, then go there. Then after that, add this curve, then go right here. Then after that, add 1, 2, 3, 4 things of tooth right here. Then for the fangs, split by adding this line right here, and then add another curve. Do the same thing as I told you before. Then after that, for the jaw or mandible, add this curve, then go right here, and go down. Then for this, add this curve. Okay, now after that, add this part, then add this, and then after that, then add this curve, then after that, and then for the tip, add this triangle-like shape right here. And there we go. We have the final sketch, and now let's erase some guidelines. Why? Because they're just guides. They're helping you to draw. This will take a while, but you have to be patient. Okay. After all this, with every of this is erased. Now let's do some shading. Shading right here, but it would take pretty much a while to shade, but it's fine. So we're also going to learn about the facts of the snake. So everyone knows that snakes are predators, and did you know that their rattle is used? Did you know that the rattle of a rattlesnake is hollow, but when it makes the rattle, it has like an alarm signal to watch out for danger. Also, it means it found prey, like small rats or more. And did you know that the rattlesnake's end is very hollow, meaning the sound vibrating into the sound right here in the tip of the tail, making the rattle look extremely noisy. Now let's add this cast shadow underneath right here so that it doesn't appear to be floating. Okay, and that's it for this, and that's it for the rattlesnake. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment if you want more of my animal videos. Tune in next time, and I'll see you later in the next video.